Friends and family from all over the world, we have a special announcement.
Let's connect and join us on our first Q&A live stream on Facebook Live and YouTube Live.
We will cover the 10 most requested questions we have received in the last months and years in our workplace.
If your question is one of the 10 requested, you can be featured on the live stream.
Very important. You have to send us your question 1 week in advance so we can have the visual and the material to give you the best information.
This is an event not to be missed. Hurry and reserve your spot by sending us an email to info@designsbyriveras@gmail.com.
The best way to make this live stream experience productive and fun for all us, make sure in the next 4 days send us the following information, which is the best date for you: Saturday, July 25 at 4 p.m. or Monday, July 27 at 8 p.m.
2. Submit your questions and be specific what you want us to answer. If you're interested, make sure to send us the information in the next 4 days.
We will let you know the date selected by Friday, July 17th. To receive new notifications and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media. All our love, designed by Rivera.
Luis and Dilandia.